Swamp Thing.
Dick Durock was the Swamp Thing. The victim of a science experiment gone wrong. Durock's half-man, half-plant superhero protected the swamplands with supernatural powers throughout the 1980s.
Let's get out of here. On the bayou.
The man beneath the muck didn't start out in the bayou. Standing 6'5" and 215 pounds, Durock cut his teeth as a stuntman. He finally got his big acting break in 1981, playing opposite Lou Ferrigno in a very special two-part episode of The Incredible Hulk. But when horror guru Wes Craven cast him for the title role in 1982's movie Swamp Thing, Durock discovered a whole new career playing green. The film took off, and Swampy developed a cult following. 7 years later, Dick Durock donned his Plant Man duds for a second time in the campy 1989 sequel, The Return of the Swamp Thing.
Turn him into guacamole!
Things were good for Dick Durock. Even the ladies were hip to the Swamp Thing's charms, as he proved with a young Heather Locklear.
Me? Your boyfriend? I'm a plant.
That's okay. I'm a vegetarian.
A year after the big screen sequel, Durock scaled down and brought his swampy superhero shtick to TV in the Swamp Thing series.
Jeez, what the heck are you?
Don't be afraid. I'm a man like you.
But after 3 seasons, the show was canceled.
You can't reject me. This is my home.
Durock waded back into the biz, but after a life in the swamp, Hollywood had lost its appeal.
Stop!
So where is Dick Durock now?
Hi, I'm Dick Durock, and I've finally gotten out of the swamp. They called me Swamp Thing. God, he's ugly.
He's traded in the slime of Hollywood for a life of leisure in sunny Oak Park, California.
This is my better half, Jane, who I dearly love. And we're here preparing a gourmet meal of swamp ribs. Of course, you have to like okra marinade with green swamp moss.
He may have given up doing stunts professionally, but Durock can still take a punch. Just ask his wife.
Hey.
I'm a pretty good stuntman, and that's not being humble. Okay, honey. Due to my size and look, I'd always be the guy being beat up by some hero. As we all know, it's a young person's business, and I'm happy. I've had a great run at it.
With over 600 TV and film appearances to his credit, Durock left behind quite a legacy. But the Swamp Thing will always have a special place.
Well, this is kind of my ego wall featuring Swamp Thing. Swampy got to work with some beautiful, beautiful women. Just brings a smile to my face.
As for a return to the swamp, don't bet on it. Durock's hung up his mask for good this time.
My time is gone for that character. I enjoyed it while it lasted, but, you know, time to move upward and onward.